Hey, what's up, class? That's how I moved my picture. So I just wanted to give you a quick preview of how to use Google Jamboard. This is the low-tech option. It's very simple. Um, Basically, you open Jamboard by clicking the link on that slide. It gives you, bam, it gives you this. And then I move my face back here. All of the tool, this is like, I cannot stress how simple this tool is. You title it here, Crucible Character Web. Oops. Over here, you can choose a pen. Over here, you can choose an eraser. If you click it again, you can choose different types of pen and a few colors. Over here, you can choose a sticky note. I'm going to make it orange. I'm just going to call this one Proctor. I can draw Proctor. Maybe I'll make a new one for Abigail. Maybe I'll make a new one for Paris. Save. Then you hit cancel. Sweet. So then you can click and drag these around. Maybe I will show how Proctor is connected to Abigail because they did, let's just add a yellow note for did the dirty and embarrassed. So now I guess I'll just use yellow for some things like that. Whoop, got to make it this tall. That's visible. I can add images here if you want. You click, you can just Google image search. Let's search thought. There we go. Then maybe I drop this real small right next to Abigail. You can insert a text box with this button. This is just a laser pointer that isn't actually going to last or help you at all. When you're done, you want to click these three boxes. You want to save the frame as an image. Then this is the file that you want to upload to Google Classroom. And that's how you do this assignment on Jamboard. Have fun. Good luck making a character web.